Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Hobonichi 2019 order, so let's get started. This is an orange box this year, and usually it's plain, but this year they have a little pattern on here and these boxes have different faces. It's also the 20th anniversary. Here's the cover that I chose for this year. Called Dolphin Blue. This is for the Hobonichi Cousin. So it's a nice pale blue on the inside, and the outside is a really pretty navy. This navy blue looks the same color as the Navy Colors cover that I have for the A6. The Hobonichi cover I've used this year is kind of the opposite color scheme as this. It's light blue on the outside and navy on the inside, so I thought this one would be cool to complement that. I also got a clear cover on cover. And I always use this just because I feel like it makes the cover more durable. I went with the Cousin Avec, so this has the 2 notebooks. So here's the little packet that comes with this year's. It has some really cute comic type cartoons on it. Then we have January to June, July to December. I think most things are the same on the inside of the book this year. This page is blank instead of having lines, which I kind of like. Lately, I've been using the monthly calendar to write down a snapshot from each day. I got that idea from another YouTuber, Sarika, and that's been working well for days that I skip, and then I can come back to it. Still not totally sure what to do with the weekly spread. I've had some good suggestions. You can leave me more in the comments if you have a good idea too. I got these little note cards. These are little small note pages with little envelopes. A little Kokishi doll, an owl with a moon. Ooh, these looked cool. So these are monthly tabs. So I'm pretty sure they match the color that's in here already. Yeah. So that you can have an external tab to flip. I was thinking of using it for the monthly calendar because these don't have any notation on the side to tell what month it is, so I was thinking of using it for that. So I got 2 of those, and then I got these stickers. These on the website, they show them being used in the monthly calendar to note special events and things. The circle kind of fills the whole thing, and then the dot fits inside. I got sticker sheets. Wow, this is tiny. Not what I expected at all. They're really cute. And I got 2 of these index tabs for the months. It's 1 through 12. I don't think I'll use these in my Hobonichi, but I used them in my weeks this year and I like them, so I got 2 so that I could use them in Traveler's Notebook or my teacher bullet journal or anything I want. And then I got 2 little stamps. These are the Hobonichi stamps that I thought were so cute. I could not pass them up. They were kind of expensive for how small they are, but hey, I figure if you're spending this much on a journal, then you're not surprised by an $8 stamp. So this is the opened book. Really cute. It even has a little finger groove right there for when you stamp. And then this is the closed book. Same thing. Super cute. The last thing in my box is the free gift, and I was actually excited for this pen because it's white. Usually they're really crazy colors. Comes with this little bear. I think it's a paperweight because it's quite heavy for its size. He's holding a Hobonichi journal and baring his teeth. Kind of creepy. And then we have a white uni multi-pen. Usually they're like neon green or something crazy, but this pen looks like it's going to be pretty good quality. The other ones are actually really good too. I just am not crazy about carrying them around because they're such weird colors the past few years. So looking forward to using that. That's it for my 2019 Hobonichi unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing all the fun stuff that I got. Leave me a comment down below if you ordered anything and tell me what you got. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.